Ever wondered how to transform your MacBook Air into an entertainment powerhouse with iTunes? Today, we're peeling back the layers of iTunes, a platform that has evolved from a mere music player into a robust multimedia hub. Here, you can immerse yourself in a variety of content: music, movies, podcasts, and audiobooks. Let's take a quick tour of the interface, designed to enhance your experience right from your MacBook Air. With iTunes, your MacBook Air becomes more than just a laptop, it's your personal media hub. Now let's turn up the volume and dive into managing music on iTunes. First, importing music into your iTunes library couldn't be simpler. Whether you're dusting off those old CDs or browsing the latest hits on the iTunes Store, adding tracks to your collection is just a few clicks away. For those cherished CDs, simply insert them into your MacBook Air if equipped with a CD drive or an external reader, and iTunes does the rest, digitizing your tunes into your library. When it comes to keeping your music organized, playlists are your best friend. Create a playlist for every mood or occasion by selecting New Playlist and dragging your chosen songs into it. Want to get even more sophisticated? Try using smart playlists. These clever lists automatically update based on criteria you set, like most played or recently added, ensuring your collections are always fresh and tailored to your taste. Syncing your music to an iPhone, iPad, or iPod is straightforward. Connect your device, select the music you want, and sync. It's a perfect way to carry your favorite tunes with you anywhere you go. And for the audiophiles, don't forget to tweak your settings for the best sound quality. Adjusting the equalizer can significantly enhance your listening experience, making every note clearer and every beat sharper. Organize your tunes efficiently and make your music listening experience on iTunes as smooth as your MacBook Air's design. Ready to turn your MacBook Air into a mini cinema? Dive into the world of digital entertainment with iTunes, where you can rent or purchase a plethora of movies and TV shows. Imagine settling in for a movie night. Your MacBook Air is not just a device, it's your personal theater. Now let's talk about making movie watching a breeze with home sharing. This feature allows you to stream your iTunes video purchases across all devices connected to your home network. Whether you're in the kitchen with your iPad or lounging in bed with your MacBook, your movies follow you. For those who love details, enabling subtitles and selecting alternate audio tracks is straightforward. Enhance your viewing experience by customizing it to suit your needs. With these tips, movie nights are just a few clicks away on your MacBook Air. From thrilling stories to educational podcasts, let's explore the world of spoken audio on iTunes. Subscribing to podcasts on your MacBook Air is a breeze. Simply navigate to the podcasts section, find a podcast that piques your interest, and hit subscribe. Once you're subscribed, new episodes automatically download, ensuring you never miss out on the latest content. For the bookworms, managing audiobooks is equally user-friendly. Bookmarking your last listen spot makes it easy to pause and return without losing your place. And for those who prefer a quicker pace or need a slower one, adjusting the playback speed of your audiobooks can enhance your listening experience, making it just right for you. Now, your MacBook Air can be your learning companion or your escape into new worlds with podcasts and audiobooks. Are you making the most out of the iTunes Store and Apple Music? Dive into the world of endless entertainment with the iTunes Store on your MacBook Air. Here you can browse and purchase a wide array of content, from the latest chart-topping tunes to blockbuster movies. Simply click on the iTunes Store tab and let your journey begin. Switch gears to Apple Music. Whether you're a casual listener or a hardcore audiophile, Apple Music has a membership tier just for you. Explore its vast library, discover new artists, or listen to curated playlists. Don't forget to set up your iCloud music library. This nifty feature allows you to access your purchases and playlists from any device, anywhere. Unleash the full potential of iTunes Store and Apple Music to keep your entertainment fresh and exciting. Ready to become an iTunes power user on your MacBook Air? Let's elevate your iTunes experience with some advanced tips and tricks. First off, manage what's visible in your iTunes by setting up parental controls. This feature lets you keep certain content out of sight, perfect for when younger users are also enjoying the device. Next, encounter a file that's not compatible? No problem. You can easily convert your media files to formats that work seamlessly with all your devices. Moving on, it's crucial to back up your iTunes library. Save it on an external drive to ensure you never lose your precious collection, even if your MacBook Air encounters issues. And speaking of issues, encountering common errors in iTunes can be frustrating. But don't worry, most are fixable with a few troubleshooting steps. With these advanced tips, you're now ready to tackle any challenge iTunes might throw at you.